just quickly written this, but it'd be really fun series, so let's see how it goes. Random animal fact of the day. Animals see light in different ways. Bats and dolphins are monochromatic. Seen in black and white, they are ecstatic. Donkeys and horses see light from two sources. Two different colours makes them dichromatic. You and me, we're trichromatic. Think of the pixels in your TV. Now for the part where your mind is blown. Birds see more than one extra tone. They see UV light on their own. All this takes is one extra cone. Starling's back under UV light. It's purple and pink, doesn't that make you think?